Your forefathers have devastated the balance of this world, and now you shall pay the ultimate price!
No, I'm not gonna end it like this.
Even with all the power in the world, you are still weak.
In the era before the Avatar, we meant not the elements, but the energy within ourselves. Bend another's energy. Your own spirit must be unbendable, or you will be corrupted and destroyed.
What did you do to me?
I took away your firebending. You can't use it to hurt or threaten anyone else ever again.